Hello everyone, welcome to this Solotica Cristal Hydrocor versus Natural Colors review. So in the coming months, expect more Solotica natural reviews as well as these comparisons for you guys. I am really excited to get through the entire natural collection. Okay, so on my right eye is the Hydrocor Cristal, and on my left eye is the Natural Colors Cristal. So as you can see, they are extremely different lenses. In terms of color, the Hydrocore is obviously way brighter and much more vibrant. So I really recommend the Cristal for people with extremely dark brown eyes and a darker skin tone or a very fair skin tone. Also, the patterning is quite different. The Hydrocore is a one color gradient, but it also has a little bit of subtle streaks and striations to mimic a natural iris. And the Cristal actually has a lot going on. There's a little bit more color gradient. There is a really pretty mid-tone ash gray color, and then there is some black specks and also some white dots to kind of give it more texture, depth, and dimension. So depending on your preference, if you don't like all the patterning, you'll probably prefer the Hydrocore, but if you like depth and dimension, you'll probably like the Cristal. You'll also notice that the Natural Colors is enlarging, so it's going to make your eyes look rounder and larger because of the limbal ring. That's probably the key difference between these two, is the limbal ring. If you do come up close, you'll see that the limbal ring is soft and hatched, so it just softly defines your eyes. I personally prefer the Natural Colors Cristal. I just think it looks more realistic and natural, but you guys know my preference. I always go for the most realistic lens. But if you want the most vibrant, vivid, and pigmented lens, it's definitely the Hydrocore. So depending on your preference, right? I actually really love the Solotica Soft Flex Cristal. That's probably my favorite crystal of all the crystals from Solotica, so definitely check that out. I'll link it in the end screen at the end of this video. I have all 7 colors from the Soft Flex collection. All authentic Solotica lenses are now exclusively sold through Solotica.com, and if you use my discount code Danica10, you can save money while you shop. Stay tuned for more comparisons, guys, and so much coming up on the channel, so definitely subscribe if you love color contacts. Thanks for watching. Bye.